How you doing, guys? How you doing, guys? It's been a minute. It's been a minute. I thought, you know what? It's been a minute. Let me do another video. I'm probably gonna forget at the end of this video, so I'll say at the beginning. Make sure you like, subscribe if you're messing with what I'm doing right now. You get me? And this is a free game, so we're gonna go through some. Let me flip my screen in a second. Okay, so you can see on here, look. This is what we're gonna be doing today. So different character designs and different proportions. These are just like templates you can just use. You feel me? So I already done it before, but I'll just do a cleanup one with you lot. Actually, you know what? Let's turn them into characters. So give him some eyes, nose, eyebrow, ears, mouth, head, some hair, and let's give him a jacket. You know, remember the DBZ fans, you know, remember the Trunks jacket. Trunks had swag. Trunks was swagged up. But you know what's mad about like anime clothes? Like you wouldn't want to wear it yourself, but watching the anime characters wear it, they can pull it off. But you wouldn't wear it in public. But yeah. Just gonna like a generic jacket and then a t-shirt and some pants. Once you got your rough, you can style it any way you want, anyhow you want. So for example, this one now, we'll do this as a little girl now. With females, there's a few subtleties, like they got thicker eyelashes. You're gonna give them like basically you're gonna give them like feminine features, and then the hair. I don't know why I made that hair so massive. Let's take that out. She's got a bloody long neck, bruh. Not too long, but actually they say no, long neck is like a sign of beauty, isn't it? In some cultures. Come to think of it, when you look at, like, have you seen those documentaries with the Africans, and they got like those big rings around their necks? I wonder if that makes their necks longer. Like I wonder if they took them rings off. Do you reckon they could? Nah, I don't know. Imagine like they took it off. Like, do you think they'll still have like stability because that? I'm just thinking out loud. Like, do you think they'll have stability because they were wearing those rings around their necks for a minute? You know? I don't know. Hey, this character came on cue. I don't know. He's doing an I don't know pose. Came on cue, you know. Okay, so look, we're doing various characters. Once, look, and after this, I'm gonna show you. Like, once you know what you're doing with this, you're good to go. You know. Like once you know, okay, this is the the setup or the layout for the human body, the anatomy, you're good to go. You feel me? I'll show you this. Give this one shorts. Switch up a bit, you know. And also, like, you know, like we all have like our strong points, yeah. Like some of us are good at drawing eyes, some of us are good at drawing noses, some of us are good at whatever. Every now and then, just do something that you're not good at, or something that you've been running away from. You know, just to keep the work. Like improvement, distribution, nice and evenly. You feel me? Okay. I'm still in this video, guys. If you're following me, I'm just concentrating on drawing. This is the character I was waiting for. It's just because it's just different, isn't it? It's just different. It's like not overweight, but you know, it's got the big belly going. And sometimes it's nice. It's nice thing. Like not every character has to be like, you know, aesthetically skinny or whatever. Because you can have like, if you, appeal is like, you know, like when a character like fits its character. Like, what I mean is like when a character fits its character design, it's sick. So that's like what I search for. Like I want characters that fit their character design. Like, you know. So not every character has to look like this standard of beauty, because if you got a character that fits their aesthetic of who they are as a character, then that's a beautiful character. Do you know what I mean? Like, what I mean by that is like, if you have a overweight character, and you know he's not a nice guy. He's a meanie, and the design of that character, like it shows, like it has like the subtle part of that character's personality and just by looking at the character, like you can tell, like, boom, yeah, that character is this, that. So it's just like One Piece for me does that well. Like One Piece, like One Piece, like they got all those like funny looking characters, yeah. But once you like hear their stories or they get their character like introductions, it's like you wouldn't imagine any other character, like or like any other character design for those characters, if that makes sense. Do you know what I mean? You know what I mean, bro. You know what I'm talking about, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro. So this is a quick one. This is just a quick one. You get me? You can see how I'm rushing this one. But yeah, it's gonna go, bro. We're gonna go, bro. We ain't got time. We ain't got time. We gotta go. But yeah, so that's what I'll be searching for anyway. I've got a few characters like that where they fit. For example, like Goals, if that's my original character that I made my own IP. He's a giraffe character. Croc. It's a crocodile. I have Efro and Friends. Efro, Spike, Chili Spice, Orange Sweet. You know what I'm saying? They all fit the part. But yeah, so that's that. Show love, subscribe and all that. Shout me if you wanna jump on the Discord as well. Give me a shout. If you do your own art and design your own characters, or you have your own stories, or just shout me as well, because I'm interested in that. I do my own stuff with that. And yeah, I'm out. Safe.